arrive in style with this 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: remote trunk release, AC, AT, keyless entry, navigation system, 5-speed AT, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, and front side airbag. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.